Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do on this episode is give you guys a update on DeNet. So some of you guys have already gotten into this project. We're going to pop up a logo right here. Guys, let me know, how are you doing with DeNet? Guys, let me know if you got into DeNet because you were subscribed to this channel. Guys, like, comment, subscribe. You guys know what to do. Let's dive right into it. So we are screen recording right now, and boom, let's put up the DeNet storage app. If you guys are not into DeNet, what you guys can do is go to the link tree and click under new projects 100x cryptos. Guys, nothing on this episode's financial advice. Invest at your own risk. But guys, click on DeNet. This is truly one of your only 100x crypto opportunities where you don't even have to invest any money. So you guys can get in early by just playing around with the app. And I've already done other tutorials on it. So if you guys do go to the channel, you guys can see videos on DeNet. So if you guys go here, type in DeNet, I've got step-by-step tutorials here. Make your phone earn money. So if you guys want more content to watch, if you want to take your time, you guys can do that. So use the link tree, get in here. So DePIN storage could be a big category, assuming we get into another bull run. So it's very simple. You activate rewards, and we have a bunch of people that have been participating in this. So this has been awesome. So guys, taking a look at the app, and by the way, I've already pre-recorded some of the stuff already. So there are different tasks here. Right now, I am at stage 50. So this has been growing quite rapidly, and thanks to you guys. So this is going to help support the channel. It allows me to make more content. And who knows, if this project launches, we could make a decent amount of money. So if we go here, scan to earn rewards, I'm getting like 100, 200, maybe even 1,000,000 tokens every time I activate. So guys, keep in mind, I don't know how well this project's going to do. I don't know when they're going to launch. There's not a lot of information on that. But if it does launch at all, we could do quite well. So if we go down here, if we hit on claim and details, here I'm going to hit claim. So I'm getting quite a few rewards just based on friends and friends of friends. So let me know if you guys are earning as well. So the more I do, the more you're going to earn. And, you know, it's earning quite a few tokens. So here we got token reward from storage clients. We're also earning PEAQ in React. So I wanted to get into that a little bit. It looks like DeNet is making different partnerships. We are thrilled to announce Reactive Network as DeNet storage client, allocating reward pool for active watchers. About Reactive, Reactive turns all blockchains into one connected automated network. Reactive will back up their data on DeNet. Reactive Network is allocating 6,000 in React tokens to activate watcher nodes for their critical contributions, validating the storage. So if you guys want, you can get access, hit up the link tree. It's probably going to be your best move. But you can see that we're earning some rewards. I previously screen recorded for you guys, so we'll pop that up right now as well. All you have to do is go into the app, click on tasks. So here I just follow the steps. I liked and reposted. I added it to the portfolio on CoinGecko, and then I also studied the video. So I did watch the video. And then here I can enable scan, start scanning. Don't forget about the DeNet tasks. Sometimes you have the watchers everywhere. So you basically take a screenshot, you add hashtag watchers everywhere. And by completing these tasks, you can really accelerate different levels or your stages. So right here, we're at stage 50. Coming soon is who knows what. But it's really cool. So we have a lot of cool things here. React, Win 2x. So everything seems to be growing. Guys, I don't know what the price of this token will be. I don't know how successful it will be short, mid, long term. But I do know that, guys, just by scanning, we have the opportunity that if this project does prevail, if it gets out there and it launches, it gets on exchanges, you can get in early. So these are opportunities. Here in the wallet, we've got a total of around 32 million WN tokens. I don't know if that's going to be their official launch token, but it's a way to get rewarded and to show that you were participating early. So guys, hit up the link tree. Definitely get in there. Let me know, man. Like, there are only so many projects where you can get in early before everybody else knows about it. DeNet, we could be some of the first. You never know. So click on the link tree. There's also BDAG, right? Vanguard hasn't been doing well, but again, that's more of a risk. We talk about that. But DeNet could be the big winner here. So that being said, guys, the moose is loose. We'll see you in the next one. Comment down below how many WN tokens you have. Are you beating the moose? Get in, guys. Get in now. I have a link for you. Get in now.